Shingle rejuvenation is a commercial roofing solution that's extremely low impact on budgets, occupants, and the environment. Until now, there's never been a better way to maintain or extend the life of an asphalt roof. Now, an affordable roof replacement alternative is available. Our product rehydrates and rejuvenates roof shingles. Shingle rejuvenation is an effective solution for maximizing protection of aging roofs, simply buying some more time on roofs that are at the end of their useful life. Prior to application of the roof treatment, trained and certified roofing specialists will perform our roof tune-up maintenance package to help alleviate small leaks around plumbing vents, skylights, and chimneys. The entire process is quick, clean, and very affordable, and comes with a 5-year guarantee. Discover for yourself why property management professionals across the country are thinking differently about their roofs, and leave your roofing headaches behind.